Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be folding the Phoenix. It was designed by John Collins, and I'll show you how it flies at the end, and let's get right into the video. First, fold this edge till it meets the corner there, and you're gonna crease it, and then unfold it. Do the same thing on the other side. And now you will see you will have this. So now you're gonna basically fold this edge right onto this line. So it'll look like this. Do the same thing on the other side. And now fold your paper airplane in half. And the edges should line up at the back. Now unfold your airplane, and you should have something. Then unfold it all up, and you should don't let this edge come out here when you fold it in half. Put it all back up together, and now you will see this crease over here that you made earlier. You're gonna fold it down on the existing crease you made. And now, if you do not fold it enough in half, then fold it even more, and you would see the crease there on the nose. And now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna fold it, these two corners, into the middle. Unfold and do the same thing on the other side. And now put them together. And now you will see you have this flap here. You're gonna you're gonna throw this up so it'll lock all the layers together. And now you're going to fold it back in half. And then be very gentle with the middle because it might rip. And then you're gonna fold the wings. When you would see like this tip coming out here. And you will also see a triangle here. You're gonna make that triangle disappear. When it disappears, you're gonna fold the wing and then do the same on the other side. So you flip it over, and then you fold the wing. And there you go, you got your plane. And now you do a few adjustments. If your plane like just does not really work like that, give it, put the wings up a bit and like bend the back up. And now I'll show you how it flies. My house is not big enough for this plane, so bye.